In this video, I'll show how Avengers toys are made. Every Avengers toy begins with a simple idea. The concept starts with hand-drawn sketches. The sketch becomes a digital 3D model. Every detail is carefully planned. Designers adjust size, joints, and proportions. Movement is tested before production begins. Safe and durable materials are selected. Each material is tested for strength. Colors are matched to the movie character.
Final designs must pass approval.
Steel molds are created for mass production. Each mold defines the toy's shape. Plastic is heated to extreme temperatures. It is injected into the mold under pressure. Automation ensures speed and accuracy. Each piece is carefully inspected. Imperfections are removed by hand. Parts move to the painting stage. Painting brings the character to life. Paint is dried under controlled conditions. Small details make a big difference. Only perfect toys move forward. Defective items are removed. Assembly is done with precision. Each joint is carefully secured. Articulation is tested for play. Safety tests protect young users. Toys must survive real-world play. Safety tests protect young users. Packaging is designed to attract fans. Each figure is carefully packaged. Instructions are included inside. Boxes are sealed for shipping. Toys are stored before delivery. They are shipped worldwide. Finally, they reach store shelves. For kids, the magic begins. Imagination brings heroes to life. From idea to action figure. Every step matters. Thousands of people make it possible. Each hero follows the same journey, built with passion and precision. A small toy with a big story. Creativity has no limits. Heroes are born in factories and live in our imagination.